Actually, I was waiting for this to happen last night. It is an all-NCAA having that luxury sa Delft na yung depth ng team mo. Tapos pwede kang mamili kung gusto mo ba puro yung mga shooters or gusto mo ba puro mga defense.
Ryan Costello will take the three and make the three. Ryan Costello. 10 on the shot clock. MJ Ayay thought about it. Baba kay Magaliano and he scores.
Again, the value of Ayay in your team.
Perfectly executed on the lob pass to JP Magaliano, using a bit of English right there.
Lineup.
Oh, medyo they were on the more experienced side of Shaq Alanes. Magaliano, Costello back to Mocon. Jumper is good. Oh.
And
handoff. Rojas banks it in for two. I thought that was got that one to go nonetheless.
I was about to say that.
Kenneth Mocon gets going here in by Mocon, and Mike Wico nakakapasok lang. Scores again. Let's watch this fast break of the game, brought to you by New Star Max. Win to the max, and Wico gets it from Biton. Mike Wico will get the roll.
Convention. Kasi buti nga nag-host ng ating itong Pampanga. Masipag itong mag-host eh.
Last year, dami nating games dito as Marvin Lee hits the corner three. JC Colliar binigay kay Biton, three-pointer, pasok yan.
It makes it looks easy. Yung sa ganyang management nung in terms of rotation, itong problema ni Coach Dundulay. But I like how he makes his combination. Laging may tatlong mga bata, tapos may dalawa.
Madali eh.
Oo.
Well, the balance is there as Biton knocks down his second three.
Great pass.
Colliar nails the three.
And you know what? Yeah, this is a guy, a homegrown.
Kent Lau banks it in.
Lucky break there for Bicolandia. I think he needs a man there in the middle, especially yung ini-employ niya na depensa.
It's a great shot by Kent Lau. 6 points in. Javier now with Marvin Lee. 8 seconds of shot clock. Two-man game. Javier puts it in for two. Coach Louie.
And I think with that, maybe nakita na nila na dito siguro ito yung pwede natin pagkunan ng mga puntos.
People say achieving great heights doesn't happen overnight. So Dolphin Coach Louie.
Thank you so much, Andrea, and syempre work in progress itong
yung mga changes dun sa mga teams na natin nasa bottom of the standing last season. Yung pag-rebuild nila ng team nila, outstanding.
And take a look at this one. MJ Ayay able to spot Rafi Celis.
Terra firma in the 3x3.
JB Bayo. That's a free lane. RJ. Nahirapan siya doon. Delis on the second serving. Celis. Santos gave up the foul. Mintis sa unang free throw ni Robbie. 1 for 2.
Okay, last shot for
to Cusejo. Not the kick out. MJ for 3. That's good.
Again, yung manner ng pag-atake nitong
Wico, quickly to Colliar. JC
pass.
to Mike Wico.
Players na tumutulong palagi dito kay Coach Raymond Valenzuela.
Inside they go. Javier, kick out. Lordy, wala. RJ Deles tips it in. RJ Deles. Oh my grado.
Big grade, no?
Pag ganyan na klaseng gogos. Gumaganyan ako minsan eh.
And RJ Deles.
And finally, Andre Doremdes puts it in for 2. Well, panoorin muna natin itong replay, no? Ganda ng action dito, pero Casajeros just left Mike Wico. Rebound Rojas.
Good move.
Rojas could not get the roll. Lordy found the basketball and he puts it in.
After that first quarter, no? Wala nang team na umabot ng 20 points so far in this game.
Arenas knocks down the 3.
Yan na.
Arena, the off-balance shot is good.
Ayun, pass break boys ba?
Ayaw ibigay eh. Oh, Cosejo joins. With the block.
Transition defense ng Rice Vanguards.
And Lau gets his 3rd triple. Makes his move. RJ using some English. Ginamitan ng konting pektos. Naagaw pa ni Cyrus Larena. Oh! Coach Don Dulay will not be happy.
Tinitake advantage nga ni Coach Don Dulay. Opportunity na mag-mix and match ng mga combinations niya.
Tama ka dun. That's JP Magiliano. Steal by Cyrus. All alone. RJ for 2. Corrats rebound number 6. Here's Magiliano. Don Arenas.
What a move.
Wow.
May kumaagat pa rin pala sa gano'n, no?
And Marvin Lee.
Finally.
69-43. Here's Shaq Alanes. Layup is good. And a chance to cut.
May insert back pa itong si Larena and Rojas. Rojas is there already. So si Larena pwede pa siguro.
Magbuhos all the way to the cup. It's good, it's good to know the friendships that have developed and have extended here. Trying to find space underneath. RJ Deles for 3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, back-to-back 3-pointers for
JB inside. Oh, no look. Mocon with a runner. That won't go. JB Bayo. Hook shot is good. JB.
Back-to-back baskets for JB Bayo. So, this is what I'm saying na
in the first half was pretty alarming. They just couldn't get a shot off.
Oo.
And that time, Arena from the corner. That's good.
There you go. Ito siguro yung if